Kinatay na guys, kinatay na ang malasuge pang ulam ng mga taga PNG guys. Ito.
Yes.
PNG people.
This big malasuki baboy from seawater. It's very nice. You eat, you will come big and will come strong.
Yeah.
So many. You will chicken many.
Many?
Yes.
Many babae?
Many babae, many honey.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, very nice ah.
Yes.
PNG people ah. Kinakatay na guys na pang-ulam natin sa mga darating na araw guys. Ayan, nakahuli na naman ng malasuge. Napakailap ng isda pagka may kasamang ganito guys. Kaya mahirap hulihin. Kaya nangyayari ito, kakainin na lang namin tong malasuge. Ayan.
Oh, this one name they speak Blue Marlin.
Blue Marlin?
Yes. The Philippines language they speak Palasugi.
Malasuge.
Yes.
In PNG?
In PNG they speak Malin.
Malin.
Yes.
Malin Okay, nice to know Ayan guys, Malin, wala silang R dito. Yung Marlin nila, Malin. So, yan ang PNG people guys. Yeah. You killed the Malin
Yes.
Kay.
Hello guys. This is a tail of Blue Marlin. You see the big one. So I throw to the sea.
Okay. Malasuge. Malin.
Marlin.
Blue Marlin.
Blue Marlin.
Ayan.
Wait.
Mahal ng kilo nito dito.